Hello everyone and welcome back to John's Food Review. Today we're going to be trying two things: Nature Valley crispy creamy wafer bars, peanut butter and chocolate, and new soft baked muffin bars, blueberry. Now I'm doing these because I'm fucking hungry. And that there's really nothing deeper than that. Went to Dollar General to get some food and saw these, get like 3 boxes of these for like $6, $7. So I thought, okay, well, let me do that. Nature Valley is pretty good. And I really haven't eaten much since yesterday, since, you know. But, there's a thing on here. Yeah, these both look really good. So I'm like, okay, let me try them. Ooh. Is it upside down? Okay. So here's what it looks like. So it's a wafer. It's got some oats and chocolate on top and some peanut butter in the middle. Really good. A little dry. Wow. That is pretty dry. Despite having peanut butter in it. But peanut butter is always like one of those things where, you know. There we go. It was actually a lot softer than I thought it would be. The oats on the top give it a nice little, and a better little crunch. Got the saltiness of the peanut butter, the sweetness of the chocolate. Is it dark chocolate or just regular? It says chocolate. Usually if it's dark chocolate, they'll go out of their way and say dark. There's the 5 bars. Those are good. I said, despite the fact that it's peanut butter and chocolate, it's pretty dry. Now the next ones are so simple, but I'm actually looking forward to it the most. Hopefully they're as good as they look on the box. These soft baked muffin bars. Blueberry is one of my favorite flavors of, you know, when it comes to like pastries and stuff like that. You know, blueberry Pop-Tarts, blueberry pancakes, blueberry waffles, blueberry muffins. I was like, it smells like blueberry. No, it doesn't. It smells like cardboard. Very careful. Oh. Oh yeah. Like as soon as you open it, it looks like just like a Nutrigrain, one of those little Nutrigrain bars. Just held together better. But there it is. Oh wow. That is soft. Hmm. Huh. It's got like, you can see sugar crystals. That's good. When they have I wonder if they have a chocolate one. And there's my breakfast. That was really good. They were real fruit, and whole grain. That was really good. What? Contains wheat, milk, egg, and soy ingredients. No, no, same thing, very dry. Oh, that was really good though. It had great flavor, nice and soft. I like the fact whenever anything uses real fruit, I've said this before, like when it comes to like milkshakes or smoothies or something like that. If it's a strawberry milkshake or a blueberry milkshake or a banana milkshake or something like that, I want the real thing in there. That's why I like Sonic and all that, because if you go over there and order like a strawberry milkshake, there's like huge chunks of fucking strawberry in it, or blueberries. There's Cookout, who has lots of milkshakes on their list, and same thing. Each one of them, you can tell it's made from what it's supposed to be made from. It's really good. They also have really cool seasonal ones, like a watermelon type milkshake in the summertime, eggnog milkshake in the winter. So, but yeah, anything that has real, not some artificial jelly looking bullcrap, I always love. Good aftertaste too. I'm actually finding myself wanting to do, because it just tastes so good. I wasn't expecting a little layer of sugar on the bottom, but yeah, those were really good. So if you haven't tried them, they're the crispy, creamy wafer bars and soft baked muffin bars, blueberry. Like I said, they probably have different flavors. This was just what I found at Dollar General. Dollar General isn't exactly known for its large selection, but I was just looking for snacks that are healthy and all that. Something I can have like one or like that, one or two, and then pretty much be good. So yeah, I recommend getting them and see what you think. Obviously, everyone's palate's different. Some people prefer one thing and prefer one type of food over the other. Some people don't like the softer food, and it's like, oh, it reminds me of baby food. Wafers, I'm really not a fan of, but the peanut butter and chocolate kind of saved it. But yeah, it was really good. So definitely recommend both of them. Whew. Anyways, that's going to do it for me. You guys know the drill. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.